come and update my mechanical 60% keyboard with me. Today, I'm going to update my keycaps, one of my favorite things to do. But not only am I going to update the keycaps, I'm actually also updating the switches, which is the first time I'm ever doing this. I'm actually using the Sakura Pink from Milky Tooth, which is a nice, cool brand that you can check out. Something about updating my keyboard is one of my favorite things, is because it gives the desk setup a new vibe and a new feel. And I really love customizing and putting different keys together. So I'm excited to update this, but not only that, but also update the switches. The switches that I got have a nice thockier, thicker recoil to them. So it's a nice sound that I love to hear, and I'm excited to do that for the very first time. And here is the result of the new switches. Now, if you are somebody who knows how to put all the keycaps back on the keyboard without having another reference to guide you, then you are by far from a different planet. And that's a planet I want to visit because that is a skill that I want to unlock. But jokes aside, I'm using my Magic Keyboard to help me put the keycaps together. These keycaps that I have right now are the keycaps that I got from the very first time when I customized this keyboard. So I'm excited to have this nostalgic feel, to have these keycaps back on. And one of my favorite things to do with any keycaps, to customize them, is to have these accent keycaps. So I have this calculator and this gold drippy keycap that I put for my escape and my delete keys. And this is the end result. Here is the sound test. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.